Hello, this table shows images, an email address link, some color-coded icons, dates, and some numbers. We have included some lazy loading on the images. This speeds up perceived speed of the app. To format the dates and the values we use day.js and numeral.js. Links are provided on the source code. As usual, we loaded a layout, created a list of records, add some column types and specified some dimensions. We later did a binding of the table, so that it shows our content. As noted, the date format for the records is YYYYMMDD. We however display this nicely with day.js. We call the methods to add the content we need and apply the formatting and dimensions. The color attribute will be used for the colors of the icons. By providing the source code, one can always refer to how to use the code and achieve needed constructs. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel to get updates. We close part 20 and are now finished with the tables.